How to block ads on iPhone. Tired of those pesky ads constantly popping up on your iPhone? In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll show you how to effectively block ads on your iPhone, giving you a seamless experience without interruptions. In this video, I will show you how to block ads in apps or games on your iPhone. Of course, Apple tries to block all of the methods used to block ads as they lose money. So I am going to show you a method that will always work as Apple does not have any control over it. If you want to block ads on Safari or Chrome, you can do as well that too. You can install ad block extensions on the store of the browser. But how can you get rid of the ads from apps and games? Let me show you. To do this, open the Safari browser. Write on the search Luna Adblock. Open this site. Tap on Accept All. Now tap on Install for iOS to start the process of blocking ads on iPhone. You need to confirm your birth year. Write your birth year. Now tap on Ad Blocking VPN Profile. Tap Allow. Now tap on Close. Now tap on the Settings app. On the settings, you will see a new option called Profile Downloaded. Tap on it. Tap Install. Write your passcode. Tap again on Install. Tap again on Install from the bottom. Tap Done. Tap on VPN. On the status, tap the toggle. You will no longer see the ads on your apps. Also, you will see on the top a new icon called VPN. If you wish to close the VPN when you are not using apps with ads, tap on Settings. You will see a new option called VPN. Toggle off and the ads will appear again. This is how you block ads on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments which method you found most effective in blocking ads on your iPhone.